We all want to have beautiful glowing skin. Namaste. I'm Acharya Pratishtha, and today I will be sharing a very easy way to make a cleanser at your home. Cleanser in the sense a paste, a pack that can cleanse your skin. In day-to-day life, there is so much of pollution that we actually don't do anything to cleanse our skin except washing our face with water or with chemical-based face wash, or maybe we clean our face with chemical-based cleansers. I will be sharing a very easy way through which you can cleanse your face, and this easy stuff you can get very easily in your own kitchen. These are just three ingredients. One is tamarind paste, and make sure that you are not going to get that market tamarind paste. You should get some organic tamarind and make the paste yourself. It's very easy. Dip tamarind in hot water for some time and then just squeeze it. Pulp will come out and some juice will come out. Just mix it well, and this is tamarind paste. In this tamarind paste, mix a little bit of honey and some yogurt. So these are basically three ingredients: tamarind paste, yogurt, and honey. Mix them well, clean your face properly, wash your face properly, and apply this mixture on your face evenly. Let it stay for next 20 minutes and then rinse your face. Isn't it easy? But make sure that you also practice our complete yogic schedule for glowing flawless skin. And you can get the link at the description box or at the eye. My team is going to share it with you. And make sure you must take a resolution to live a natural life and say no to all the cosmetics, all the chemical based stuff in your kitchen, in your wardrobe, in your dressing table, or anywhere. Stay away from chemicals, live a natural life, and if you like this video, do not forget to share it with your loved ones. To watch all of our videos in Hindi, subscribe at Bharat Yoga channel, and to watch all our videos in English, stay tuned at Bharat Yoga English.